this is Lasse Lassen from 3dprehab.com. Welcome to this webcast number 6, 2015. Today I'm going to talk about a very important principles of applied functional science that is called specificity. It's very important that what we do is in an exercise or testing is specific for what we want to improve. A lot of the soccer tests, in my cases, that is a strength and conditioning coach for both youth players and elite soccer players, it's important that my testing is very specific. So that means that I normally just take very simple and cheap testing, and then I try to create a protocol out from my understanding of the working demands in the game of soccer. Peer-reviewed studies have seen that we normally, in average, change the direction every third second. So that means when I'm doing it could be a bib test, like I'm showing behind me here, I make a protocol of movements. So normally, if you don't know what a bib test is, it's actually just a running test where you have to run 20 meters up and down to a bibbing. And then the bib or the speed will just increase within every round of shuttles. So that's pretty easy test. But the problem is, if we just make the player run as they want, then many of them will run by mechanically wrong, and that can lead to injuries. Especially in the game of soccer, where we are dependent on having very good rotation, and especially like say in the hip, then it's good to use these testing, use a good protocol where we see, are they able to do a good, you can say, relatively internal rotation when the speed is increasing? Are they good to do a relative external rotation when the speed is increasing? Because if they're not able to do that, we know that this can maybe be the problem, right? They after games have knees issues, back issue and stuff like that. So what I'm going to show you here is a very simple way that you can make a protocol. I'm not going to show you my protocol because, of course, own producted and a secret. That's just how things is. So what I normally do, I will show you two parts of my protocol. So it will start like this. The bib test will start. I can do this with or without the ball. I will just show you without the ball. So the first thing the players have to do, they run up and they turn like this and back, and they will say beep, and they turn like this. Here it's very important, this back foot is straight out, so the knee will not be caught in the middle. And on the second one, they go up. I want them to open up like this, and they take off. And do the same opposite, open up and take off. So this can be a very simple protocol where we are challenging the player to work on the relatively in and external rotation, and in that way be conscious about what they have to do. Because if you can't think it, you can't do it. If you need more information about a 3D prehab or our knowledge, please contact us on www.3dprehab.com. Thank you for listening.